Architecture institutions in the world are few and far apart. Nonetheless, McGann's ambience and standards are on par with the international torchbearers of education in architecture. Studying at McGann's is an aspiring architect's dream come true.
The 27% reservations in the All India pool of the undergraduate and postgraduate medical and dental seats, hitherto the Government of India has denied in spite of filing the number of cases in the Supreme Court questioning the NEET examinations denial for the OBCs, and under the pressure and relentless, tireless the efforts of the Honorable Chief Minister in all ways, these politically, legally and at the Parliament level also. Then under the teeth of the contempt of the High Court of the Madras in the main judgment and in the contempt case on the 19th July 2021 and 26th July 2021. Thereafter only the Government of India has agreed and gave a memorandum accepting to give the 27% reservations for the in the All India quota for the backward classes. But for the Tamil Nadu state government and the Chief Minister and the legal team, we whole of India could not have get. But the impression given by the center is only due to these reasons, but not voluntarily. And we have come here to specially congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister. Today is Mandal Divas Day and the Karunanidhi Smriti's Day, and we have put forth 7 demands before the Honorable Chief Minister. First demand is to conduct the socio-economic caste census 2021 and publish 2011 socio-economic caste census, and at the state level also, if the Government of India is not conducting, state level also, state government can conduct the state level socio-economic educational caste census for the purpose of welfare, economic and employment reservations, and therefore reservations for implementing a reservations policy in the local bodies, in the educational and in the percentage. Courts are saying the empirical data is required, caste census are required, but the Government of India is saying no, it is not our policy to conduct the caste census. That means the Government of India wants to hide the truth and suppress the truth about the real and the factual position of the plight of the backward classes and most backward classes. And therefore, to get the constitutional rights, our due share, we whole of the India demands to conduct the caste census. That is most important issue. And for KG to PG, free and quality education and health care for the below poverty line or below the income taxable limit, and 10% reservations for the EWS. Now you all of you know in the state of Tamil Nadu, communal reservations which were either to enjoyed from 1927 onwards were struck down by Chapkam Thorairaj case. Now the Government of India amended the constitution, giving the communal the reservations for the forward classes, excluding the SCs, STs and backward classes. Therefore, we want all the reservations can be only on the class. What is the class? Below poverty line. So whoever is below poverty line, whether it is SC, ST, Brahman, Banya, Kshatriya, everybody you give the 10% reservations, but there should be criteria and but not on the caste basis. So then minimum supporting price, then our due share in all walks of life, and that our 7 demands we have made at the All India level, and the Honorable the Chief Minister has accepted to and in a judicial commission, because you know there is injustice done, because the Supreme Court appoints their own judges, High Court Collegium appoints their own, but they don't consider the rightful claims, and the whoever is qualified and equipped, entitled, they are not giving the recommending the SCs, STs, backward classes, and therefore from the municipal magistrate to the Supreme Court, reservations must be implemented to do the social justice, because who approach the courts? Only most of the backward classes, only SC, STs, backward classes. The cases of the 10% upper caste are very less, but the 90% of the upper caste are deciding, 10% of the upper caste are deciding the 90% of the disputes of the backward classes, and therefore that also we are saying, and separate OBC ministry in the central. Unfortunately, center there is no separate OBC ministry. We are demanding the government of India to have the separate OBC ministry and allocate the budget in proportion to the population of the backward classes, as in the case of SCs, STs. So these are the main, 9 demands we have put forth before the Honorable Chief Minister, and the Honorable Chief Minister also very positively reacted, and we have invited to address very big meetings at the Lucknow and at the Delhi, and the Honorable Chief Minister said he will favorably consider. Therefore, unless this Tamil Nadu movement of the social justice is spread all over India, there is no safety, security for the backward classes and the constitutional rights. But Indian Constitution says to secure all the citizens of India, the justice, social, economic, political, liberty, equality, fraternity, freedom, and to get our rights, constitutional rights. We are looking towards the Tamil Nadu and the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and his legal team. Thank you. Should lead the national movement. Unless the national movement is led by the stalwart and by the very commander like the Stalin, and we are not, and everybody will join. We hope and trust that if he starts the movement, the Tejaswini and all other like-minded chief ministers will join. Definitely, it's a big national movement. After the independence movement, this kind of the social movement, a second big national movement will start. We are hope and trust, because everybody is suffering the exploitation, the injustice of committed on them. Thank you.
And thanks to NEET.
NEET already.
Wilson sir. Okay. Wilson sir is the taking.
Judge also. Justice, I am Justice, former acting Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh High Court and former Chairperson National Commission for Backward Classes. And I have recommended many recommendations. Private sector also I have recommended reservations for the backward classes, and caste census, categorization, creamilayer, the simplification. Many recommendations I have made it at the Government of India level, and we have also established the All India Backward Class Federation. Recently on 25th of the last month, we have conducted a very national level conference. Nearly 40 people, different national level organizations have participated. They have resolved to demand this, and they have resolved to agitate all over India level. Now, Honorable Justice Virendra Singh Yadav, he was the retired judge from Allahabad High Court, he will address.
Dear friends, I am from UP, retired High Court judge from Allahabad High Court. As my brother Aishwarya briefed the entire scenario of social justice for which we are fighting, I will like to inform you that we have an alliance, Social Revolution Alliance. The purpose of Social Revolution Alliance is to get together all the bodies, social justice. They are fighting for social justice, including SC, ST, OBCs and minorities. They will come on one platform, and that is formed for fighting jointly for social justice, and that is Social Revolution Alliance will lead it. And we are very much grateful to Honorable Stalin, who had made so much effort to get it done, which has been done now. But in the NEET. And the second phase of our pressing our demand is to caste census, which is very much required. As you know that in so many different judgments of High Courts and Supreme Court, the constitutional right of BCs have been denied, saying thereby that there is no data about it. So unless this data is recovered, the BCs cannot get their constitutional rights. So we are very much making this pressing this demand, and we came here to seek the support of our Chief Minister, Mr. Stalin, who is doing well, who is doing a great for the social justice. Thank you.
Now the translation, the gist of it, the senior counsel of the Supreme Court and the member of Parliament and our guide mentor Stalin will, Wilson will.
இந்தியாவிற்கே சமூக நீதி பாதுகாவலராக திகழ்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கின்ற முதலமைச்சர் எங்களுடைய தலைவர் அவர்களை சந்தித்து இன்று நாடே போற்றும் அளவிற்கு மிகவும் பிற்படுத்தப்பட்ட மாணவர்களுக்கு சுமார் 27% ரிசர்வேஷன் இந்த ஆல் இண்டியா கோட்டாவில் மாநிலங்கள் அளிக்கும் பங்கீட்டில் அந்த கோட்டாவில் இன்றைக்கி கிட்டத்தட்ட 5000 மாணவர்கள் இந்தியாவிலே வந்து பயன்பெறுகிறார்கள். இதற்கு காரணமாக கர்த்தாவாக இருந்த எங்களுடைய மாண்புமிகு முதலமைச்சர், எங்களுடைய தலைவர் தளபதியார் அவர்களை சந்தித்து அவர் முன்னெடுத்து சென்ற அரசியல் ரீதியாகவும் நாடாளுமன்றத்திலும் சட்ட ரீதியாகவும் போராட்டு இன்று 27% வாங்கி கொடுத்ததற்காக அனைவரும் ஆல் இண்டியா ஓபிசி ஃபெடரேஷன் மற்றும் சோஷியல் ரெவல்யூஷனரி அலையன்ஸ் என்ற ஆர்கனைசேஷன் இவங்க வந்து அசோசியேஷன் வந்து இன்றைக்கி வந்து தலைவர்களை சந்தித்து வாழ்த்து தெரிவித்தார்கள். அவர்கள் வாழ்த்து தெரிவித்தது மட்டுமில்லாமல் இந்தியாவிற்கே வழிகாட்டியாக சமூக நீதி பாதுகாவலராக தெரிந்து கொண்டிருக்கின்ற முதலமைச்சரை வழிநடத்தி செல்ல வேண்டும், இந்தியாவிற்கே வழிநடத்தி செல்ல வேண்டும். மிகவும் பிற்படுத்தப்பட்ட மாணவர்கள் மற்றும் மற்றவர்களுக்காகவும் அவர்கள் வந்து அவருடைய உரிமைக்காகவும் முன்னெடுத்து செல்ல வேண்டும் தேசிய அளவில் என்று கோரிக்கையும் வைத்துள்ளார்கள். அது தவிர அவர்கள் வந்து முதலமைச்சர் ஒரு 7 கோரிக்கைகள் மத்திய ஒன்றிய அரசிடம் கேட்டுள்ளதை சுட்டி காண்பித்து அந்த கோரிக்கைக்கு அவங்க வந்து சப்போர்ட் வேணும்னு சொல்லி கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. இன்று அவர்களை சந்தித்து விட்டு வந்திருக்கிறார்கள். முதலமைச்சர் வந்து அவர்களுடைய கோரிக்கையை பரிசீலிப்பதாக கூறியிருக்கிறார்கள்.
Premium architecture institutions in the world are few and far apart. Nonetheless, McGann's ambience and standards are on par with the international torchbearers of education in architecture. Studying at McGann's is an aspiring architect's dream come true.